This is a demonstration on my sewing machines and how I like the machines to be controllable in speed. And the first thing I like to have is that it should have a slow startup. It should not just jump up to a low speed. It should be slow startup. So now I try to do that. I can try one more. So you see, it's not a jump start, it's just there. The other thing is that you should be able to keep a low speed. And I think I do that now, and I'm controlling this with my foot pedal. This slow speed is about 8 stitches a minute. Then you should be able to gradually have any speed, and I'll gradually increase the speed now to show you that this is possible, and go slowly up to max speed. This is max speed. Max speed is about 540 stitches a minute. Then you should be able to make some small movements of the needle, like I'm trying to do now. And that's kind of short kick on the foot pedal. Then I'm able to make some different kinds of small movements of, and I think you should be able to do that. Now I have a 0-point adjustment of the foot pedal, so I will make it move just very slowly, just to show what it would be like to have a very slow stitching going on. And so it's a kind of constant pressure on the foot pedal. I got this vinyl here. It is a good quality vinyl of 600 grams each square meter, and I'm going to fold it 8 times. And so you can see how it will react for the loads I put on here. So now it is, I need to adjust the pressure on the presser foot, I see. So now I'm adjusting the presser foot. But I think show how responsive it is to load changes, and it copes with the load changes quite well. Of course I can improve the speed also.